What is going on, everybody? It's Gordon Xavier here today to support you in your evolution, in your growth, in you leveling up in life, feeling good, getting embodied. In this video, I want to share with you all a cheat code that I found to work for me in life when it comes to navigating my emotions, navigating my emotional body, my mental body, getting my mind, body, spirit, my emotional body, my pain body, all on the same page. And here's the thing about this. It's simple. It's not complicated. It's not gonna require a whole book. There's no real secret to it. You've been doing it all of your life. And this cheat code, this tool, revolves around your breath. You know, it's something that just goes right over our head, man, because it's so in our face all the time. We're always doing it. We take it for granted, this technology that is the breath. Through our breath, we can mold and shift and recalibrate our experience. We can mold and shape and recalibrate our emotional body. We can take in more information. We can dish out more mana with our breath. Our breath is at the center of all of these energies that we experience and receive and command. Our breath is at the center. Notice when you laugh and you're happy. There's a particular breathing pattern. When you're sad, when you're crying. I don't know if any of y'all maybe you got in trouble when you was a kid, or you be crying real hard as a kid and you go right, the breath changes. When you're shocked, when you're angry, when you're at peace. So what I'm getting at here is, I don't know what you're going through in your life right now. I don't know what challenges you face. I don't know what pain you're in. I don't know what's exciting you, but I do know for a fact, if you're looking to go from one state to another, if you've been stuck in the mud, if you've been stuck in depression, if you've been stagnant, if you want to convert that energy into enthusiasm, stillness, direction, it starts with your breath. It's incredible what I've seen breath do for people. There's been times where I've been in a room full of people who are all on a different page. No one's vibing there, or maybe everybody's talking over each other. And there's been times where me or a friend of mine would invite everybody to take 5 deep breaths together. And after those 5 deep breaths, everybody is on the same page. Everybody look around the room. Nervous system's more relaxed, more willing to be present with one another. It's like a psychic connection takes place when people breathe together. When you breathe with yourself, when you breathe with God, when you go and breathe in nature. It connects you to life, to yourself, to consciousness in a way that nothing else will. I invite you to try it out. You're already a pro at it. If you want to get yourself energized in the day, it's like a pump. It's like an engine that you can use to lift your spirits. Spiros, breath, inspiration. You inspire. When you inspire with something, it's like a breath of fresh air came into your life. It's like the spirit came to you and it's blessed you with a good vibe or a good idea, an insight, inspiration. Breath is where it's at. You want to get more connected, you want to get more grounded, more clear, more confident, more relaxed. Turn to your breath and use that in tandem with getting support. It doesn't matter how many times you come to the root of something. Some people are into the personal development world and they get a good feel, good reading on all of their patterns or a lot of the patterns, but the patterns keep playing out because they don't slow down long enough to be with what's present, the discomfort, the pain, the trauma, or whatever it is. They don't slow down long enough to be with feeling into whatever it is. Whether it's grief. A lot of us got a lot of grief. I got a lot of grief. Slowing down, nothing to do, nowhere to go. Slowing down, making contact and breathing. And what you'll notice is when you take authentic breaths, deep breaths, full breaths, breaths that are touching the feeling, the sensation in your body, naturally, the sound of whatever that energy is will emerge. The energy that you're breathing into will begin to vibrate more and dissipate, and it'll come up and out through sound. I'm feeling into the pain of my mom dying. And the sound will come up, energy will come up, you'll purge it. Breathe into the surge and proceed to purge. I'm gonna write that one down. Breathe into the surge and proceed to purge. And once you purge inside of your body, you just created space. You just created more room inside of your being to be something else besides that thing that you were holding on to unconsciously, besides that stagnant energy. Breathe into that. It'll fade, it'll flutter, it'll dissipate. And now there's more space. Now there's clarity. And inside of that clarity, you can make a bigger, brighter, more bold choice. And that choice is gonna lead to a brand new creation in your life. So reclaim the fragmented pieces of your consciousness by breathing. Reclaim how dope you are, your skill, your ability to command energy, right? To direct energy. You're an emotional being. We love and admire artists and actors and musicians because we appreciate how they're able to move their energy, right? Tap into like a sadness or insanity. Like Heath Ledger, oh my God. I mean, it took breath what he did. He didn't just do that in his head, like it took breath to start breathing as the Joker would breathe. If you breathe as the Joker breathed, you'll be able to replicate and channel that consciousness, channel that spirit. So it's about finding the breath, finding your breath, and embody the way the next best version of yourself breathes. How would you breathe if you knew you can do anything? How would you breathe if all your bills were taken care of? How would you breathe if every day you got to wake up next to the love of your life? How would you breathe? Find that rhythm, find that breath, find that sexy, smooth inhalation that is a match, that is a vibrational match to that in which you're looking to create. Find the breath of that. Breathe it in. And watch reality change. If you found this video useful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're looking for support to come into contact with pieces of yourself you want to breathe into, you need to breathe into, you need to give life, illuminate, hit me up. You can go to my website, evolvethroughlove.org, and book a reflection session with me. And I support you in hopping on a train of thought that is an important train of thought for you and arriving all the way at the station. And then once we get to the station, we breathe into that. And whatever insights or inspiration that's waiting for you at that destination, you'll receive that. So hit me up. Number love, y'all. Thanks for watching. May this serve you on the highest level. Till next time. Peace.